Welcome back guys to another DIY gift basket idea. So as you can see, these are the stuff that I will be using in my gift basket. I have multiple colors in this one. So actually it is a spa bath. These are some bath and body work products. So I have here 3 bath and body work products that I will be using. I have some stretchable bath and shower cloth, shower cap, a scrub, bath scrub, a spa body wash, moisturizing lotion, Epsom salt, candle, body butter, a picture frame, and you know I always include a card in my gift basket so you can write inside to say who it's from and who it's going to. Stay tuned for this video and please watch this video all the way through to the end. Please leave a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber. Hit that notification bell to get notified